Namaskar. After exploring very deeply with too much efforts, and especially on Ayurveda and many other designs of life, today we will talk very slowly, very calmly, very quietly about a very, very important subject. No other subject is more important than this because this disease known as cancer is very damaging, making people very fearful and really painful, rather, I should say. ये जो कैंसर की बीमारी है ये बहुत ही डैमेजिंग, बहुत ही फियरफुल और बहुत ही दर्दनायक है, क्योंकि जब इंसान को पता लगता है कि उसको कैंसर है तो उसकी ऑटोमेटिकली एक सिग्नल्स आने शुरू हो जाते हैं कि ये क्या हो गया. नो, वी विल टॉक अबाउट दिस कैंसर. ऑक्सीजन स्टार्व्ड सेल्स, ऑक्सीजन की भूख से मरते हुए हमारे सेल्स. दिस होल बॉडी is a universe of cells. We are walking with a universe of cells. We are not one. My total body is a cell, is a trillions of cells, universe of cells I am walking with. Everybody is walking with that. Here cell, there cell, every cell, all is loaded with cells, trillions of 30 roughly 30 trillion cells. So this topic you will have to see it very carefully, very systematically, and the full video. Because cancer is the baby of the cells. And when the cells get starved of oxygen, when they don't get oxygen, we get this disease. The cells start dying. And this oxygen system, to make the oxygen reach every cell, we should have a very nice design of 2-3 things. They are this triangle, you see this triangle? First is food, then is thought, then is design of life. Food means खाना पीना, क्या खा रहे हैं. थॉट मीन्स विचार, क्या विचार करते हैं, किस तरह का सोच है हमारा. और थर्ड इज डिज़ाइन ऑफ लाइफ, किस तरह का डिज़ाइन है लाइफ का. बहुत तेज है, बहुत स्पीड है, पता ही नहीं कहाँ जा रहे हैं, वेयर वी आर गोइंग वी डोंट नो, वेरी फास्ट, विदाउट एनी ए डिज़ाइन और विदाउट एनी थॉट, वी आर जस्ट वॉक running the rat race. So these 3 things can control oxygen. Cancer is due to the starving of the cells. They are starved of oxygen. They don't get oxygen properly. Then उनको ऑक्सीजन की फीड नहीं मिलती तो वो ख़त्म होने शुरू होते हैं. तो इस ऑक्सीजन की फीड के लिए, फॉर दिस फीड ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल टेक केयर ऑफ 3 steps. नाउ you should see the whole video so that you can know what is what. Food, thoughts, design of life. And we will go on talking someday again about this subject, but today I am starting it. It is a very big subject, very important subject. And I can guarantee you, if you take care of all these 3 things, it will be fine. Because the whole body is being run by the oxygen. If our system, our things, what we eat is a food which can carry oxygen within the blood, there are foods which are very good to carry oxygen in the blood. For very important is beetroot, chukandar. I will go on telling you more things also. Second is the thought process. Thought. If I am a very calm and quiet person, very intelligent, very sober, very peaceful and all that, no fear, this oxygen will stay abundant. My system will receive that oxygen just like this. For the more acceptability of oxygen by the cells of human body, for the more acceptability of oxygen by our human body cells, कि हमारे अंदर की जो सेल्स हैं उनमें ऐसी शक्ति हो ऑक्सीजन को लेने की कि वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ऑक्सीजन ले सकें, so that the cells are ready to receive the oxygen. They are very good, they are open, they are not complicated structure. So that we can do by our food, by our thoughts. If our thoughts are very clear, very fine, we take care of everything in advance, we are not fearful. If you are fearful, if you are in the doubts, if you do this way, that way, our system slows down in receiving the cells, the oxygen. Try anytime when you are fearful and all that, breathing like all that, and this inner system is very slow in receiving the oxygen. It's a practical thing. Then the design of life. If our design of life, हमारे जीवन का तरीका बहुत फास्ट है, हर वक्त दौड़ रहे हैं, we are just running every time, we have no control or discipline in our life is just like a rat race, then we are again not going to give proper oxygen to the cells, because that the whole system lose the acceptability because of that. And slowly I will go on telling you many things. Suppose we are living in a place where it is very cold most of the time, or snow is there and all that. There we can walk faster. Suppose we are going for a morning walk or something, we can go faster and we will be receiving oxygen. But if we are in a place where it is very hot and all that, we should go slowly walking and all that. We will have to take care of each and every point so that the acceptability of the oxygen stays good. Now we talked about food, about thoughts, about design of life, and these three things can control the food or the feed of oxygen. Because this whole body, we are walking with the trillions of cells. And when the cells don't get proper feed of oxygen, जब उनको पूरा भोजन ऑक्सीजन का नहीं मिलता, they start dying. Then when they start dying, जब वो मरने शुरू होते हैं, तो ऑक्सीजन तो फिर भी उनको चाहिए, even then they need oxygen. But what they do, they start making groups within self, just like the bad people, bad cultures of the world, they stay in groups and they go on killing people and all that. they are killers. So similar way, this cancerous cells start making groups or colonies inside. Then they go on deteriorating the whole system, पूरे system को खराब कर देते हैं. So if we can feed the cells properly, think properly, have a very sober design of life, sober foods, and mostly the nice juices like the ginger juice, lemon juice, and pomegranate juice, and so that the immune system is also connected with the receiving of oxygen. We can do pranayama and all that, but pranayama and everything is for a body who is disciplined with all, just like this triangle, which is disciplined, will be having more acceptability. वो acceptability means वो उस बॉडी के सेल्स तैयार होंगे ऑक्सीजन को रिसीव करने के लिए, और वो फूड भी उनको डिलीवर कर रही है थ्रू द ब्लड. So we need to take care of all these things. No doubt we were busy in the corona days and corona fear and all that, but we should not forget about the more and more chronic things in this period. No doubt corona is a scam created by the majority of the people. I don't know what kind of mission they have. Many people are dying with economy, many people are doing suicide, many people are doing that and that, but still we are facing that. But our topic today is this. So we will take care of each and everything, this food, this and that, to be okay. And I will go on talking about this subject. Today I just started, I opened a chapter in your mind. This is the main thing of cancer, that the acceptability of the cells to have more oxygen, then these three things to deliver that oxygen. उनको देने के लिए ये तीन चीज़ें हैं, और उनको रिसीव करने की कैपेसिटी बनाने के लिए भी यही तीन चीज़ें हैं कि वो उसको ठीक रखें. Once the cells goes bad, then it is very difficult, because they are colonizers, they make colonies, then it is very difficult. So we can be very careful, and we are surely be okay if we take care the design of life very sober and all that. If we are in the snowy areas and all that, we can walk little faster. If we are in the summer type of countries and all that, we can go very slowly and nicely, and so that we can talk to ourselves, we can know what is going on. Okay? Namaskar, and I will be there again in front of you with many more important things.